Hello and welcome to Think Big Websites. My name's Ray Bryant, also known as Ray the Fireman. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about hosting. What does it mean? What does it do? And what type of hosting do you actually need for your website? Now, when you think of hosting, I want you to think of just virtual real estate. Think of about a piece of property that you bought someplace that doesn't have a house on it. It's just a land. That's kind of like what hosting is. It's just a physical location for me to work on and build a website for you at that location. Now, if you're going to build a very big website with a lot of functionality, you might need a lot of space or a lot of hosting. But most times, all you need is a shared hosting environment with a little bit of space on it for your website. I build exclusively with the WordPress management system. Matter of fact, 1 out of every 5 websites that are online today are actually a WordPress website on the back end. So you're in very good company. And the good thing about it is that when you do a shared hosting environment, which means more than one person will be having a piece of that computer that has website information on it, a better way of thinking about this is, let's go back to the land analogy. Let's imagine that there's 100 acres of land, and that represents the hosting. And now you have 100 homes on that land. That represents the websites that are sharing that piece of land. The same exact thing applies for you. You're going to have a shared hosting environment in which other websites are going to be on that same computer system in that same data server, sharing that space with you. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. The only issues would ever come up if you have a shared hosting environment in which more than one person are actually on the same root directory as you. So if that person does something that compromises the system, your site might be compromised as well. At Think Big Websites, we do not operate like that. We put you in a managed WordPress environment that's exclusive to you, meaning that we have firewalls that go up that separate you from your neighbors. Perfectly fine, perfectly secured. You'll never have a problem with that situation. So with Think Big Websites, you're going to get a shared, managed WordPress solution for you. If you need something a little bit bigger, no problem. We offer shared cPanel Linux operating systems, so you can have multiple domains on the same server. We could do it all. I'm just sharing with you what most companies actually only need to get up and running. Now, as far as price, we are constantly running specials. Check out our page to see what our current hosting pricing is. Typically, you're going to spend anywhere from $5 to $15 a month for your hosting. Much, much cheaper than any place else online. We'd love to hear from you, and we love to help people. So if you have any questions about that, or you're still not sure about what hosting is or how to get started, give us a call, contact us, or look on this page somewhere. I'm sure I have a link that explains how to get started with our services. Thanks again for viewing this video. Have a great day and be awesome.